everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. Today's look is a little different look that I've never done before on my channel. It's absolutely cranberry wine. Since it's winter here, I wanted to try out something which is absolutely matte dark. This look was very easy to create. Nothing much with glitter, no satin shadows, absolutely matte, and I completely enjoyed creating it. I have created this look using this Huda Beauty palette, which is Mauve Obsession. The colors are so beautiful and it's so pigmented. If you all follow me on my channel, then you must know that I'm following a series of giveaway on my channel. And yes, even in this video, I am going to do a giveaway. The giveaway in this video is also from Huda Beauty. The palette that I'm using in this video is Mauve Obsession, but I'm going to give away a palette which is Warm Obsession. I would love you to create your looks using that palette and tag me so that I can see the looks created by you all. But to enter the giveaway, all that you need to do is you have to enter the notification squad contest. How will you do it? You have to subscribe to my channel and you have to put on the notification bell and be amongst the first people who comment on my video in the first 12 hours after I upload. I'm going to reply back to each one of you, and any one of you can be a lucky winner for this Huda Beauty Warm Obsession palette. Yes, so if you really want to win, you have to mention your Instagram handles along with your messages and follow me on Instagram because the winners will be announced on Instagram. It's winter here, so I really want to moisturize my skin using this rose gold oil from Indulgio Essentials. And as you all know, I am in love with the series of Indulgio Essentials. Their products are absolutely amazing. Since I can see a lot of open pores around the nose and cheek area, so I am going to prime my face using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And for color correction, I'm using D30 by Krylon using this Morphe brush E30. This is so important for me because I have really bad dark circles. And for this look today, I am using this Huda Beauty foundation using the Morphe brush E56, which is my absolute favorite brush right now for applying foundation. My shade in this foundation is Amarati, and I just love how pigmented the foundation is. And you just need a very small amount to cover the whole face. And to make my foundation look just like my skin, I really like dabbing my foundation all over with this Damn Beauty blender from Winsome Story. This blender takes off everything extra from your skin and the foundation turns out to be really flawless. Now it's time to conceal, and I am using this Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Biscuit. I will keep dabbing this concealer until and unless it is perfectly dry, and for this I'm using this crown brush. For my highlight today, I'm using this Urban Decay Naked Concealer in the shade Medium Light, and I will apply it on all the high points of my face. And for my contour, I am using this contour stick by Huda. Using the same damp beauty blender, I am going to set all the high points of my face. Dab, 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 so that it gets set and provides you with an amazing coverage. But for my contour, I am using this Real Techniques Duo Fiber brush. I will blend everything inside my hairline. And for my nose, I will blend it a little upwards. For my neck, I always like to blend it downwards. That's how I contour. And for setting everything, I'm using the RCMA No Color Powder using the Sigma brush. I will apply it under my eyes, my laugh lines, the tip of my nose, the center of my forehead. And yes, to make my contour look really sharp, I am also going to draw a straight line using the Morphe brush E47. Now for my bronzer today, I am using the MAC Extra Dimension bronzer in the shade Delphic using the Sigma brush F40. This bronzer gives such a nice color to the skin. Now we come to eyes. I'm going to do my brows first, and I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade dark brown for my brows. I am using the same Nars concealer as my eye primer. Even this works really well as an eye primer, and I'll blend it. And now for my eyes today, I'm using the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsession palette. My first color is this nice orange color here, and I will blend it using the Sigma brush E65 as a transition color. Next I'm using Sigma E20, and I will use the same color in the lower lash line as well. Now the next color is this deep red color, and I'm going to apply it using the Sigma brush E25, and I will apply it in the corner of my eye, blending it inwards, and I'll make sure that I'm covering the whole eye with the same color. Now I'll use the same Sigma brush E65 to blend the corners of the shadow so that it looks really nice and diffused. Next I'll take these deep brown matte colors as my contour colors, and I'm going to apply it using the Crown brush C528. I will just apply it on the outer corners of my eye and on the lash line as well, blending it perfectly. And now again, I will use the same Sigma brush to blend the corners of the eyeshadow perfectly. Now using the Sigma brush E30, I'll use the lightest color of the shadow as my highlight color. I will apply it on my brow bone. And now using the same brush, I'll take the other metallic color in the palette and apply it in the inner corner of my eyes. And now for my lower lash line, I'm using this Faces Longwear eye pencil in the shade Smog. This color is so beautiful. I'll apply it in the upper lash line as well. And now I'm going to curl my lashes using the Kevyn Aucoin lash curler and apply the Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara on my lashes. As a powder, I'm using MAC Mineralize powder in the shade Light, and I will apply it on the corner of my eyes using this Morphe slant brush to give me that perfect cat eye look. This brush makes my eye makeup look absolutely perfect. And now using the same pressed powder, I'm going to apply it all over my face with the Sigma brush F35. For my blush today, I'm using the Milani blush in the shade Dolce Pink using the Sigma brush F15. Now to set everything, I am using the MAC Mineralize Charged Water Skin Hydrating Mist. And as my highlight, I'm using the Huda highlight palette in the shade Pink Sand. I'm applying it using the Morphe brush M510. I always like to apply it on the tip of my nose using my finger because that makes my nose look really sharp. For my lips today, I'm using the MAC lip liner in the shade Nightingale. And as my lipper today, I am applying the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Playdate. A perfect berry color for winters. Now to add more glamour to my look, I would love to apply these Wynk Me lashes in Boho Bride. I just love how the whole look came out together. It's perfect matte eyes created with Huda Beauty palette with beautiful Boho Bride lashes by Wynk Me and a perfect matte lip color by Colourpop. I am absolutely loving the look. If you like the video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And yes, do not forget to enter into my notification squad contest. All the best, stay blessed, and keep watching because we have more of giveaways coming up on my channel. I love you all.